Hello boys and girls, Mrs. Skinner here. We are going to do reading for Thursday, April 30th. Okay, we've been talking about frogs and hopefully you've learned a lot of good facts about frogs. We've also been doing our cute little song. Okay. If you still have this, you should have it from your Wednesday packet section. You can get it out and follow along. And maybe yesterday you circled the sight words. Okay? If you want to do your motions, that's fine. Miss Skinner's going to do the cute little frogs again. Okay. We ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 speckled frogs. Gulp, gulp. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 speckled frogs. Glub, glub. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 speckled frog. Glub, glub. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. She jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are no speckled frogs. Glub, glub. All right. So the frogs are in the pond where it's nice and cool. And if you want to, you can color your little picture down there, your log and your pond and your froggies. Okay, so we've learned a lot about frogs this week through our nonfiction text called Frogs. Everybody croak like a frog. Remember how they croak? Croak. Or ribbit. Croak. Frogs make different noises depending on what type of frog they are. Okay, that's a croak, their sound. So go ahead and do a croak. All right. Now, a tadpole has gills. We learned that. How do gills compare to our lungs? Lungs. Do you know what lungs are? Lungs is the part inside of our body where we breathe. When we breathe in air, where does it go? We suck it in. It goes in our lungs. And we learned that frogs, baby frogs, tadpoles, have gills. How are the gills similar to lungs? Okay, just like a fish, tadpoles breathe through their gills. So the gills are used for breathing. Our lungs are used for breathing. They're both used for breathing. Habitat. Describe a frog's habitat. Remember, frogs are a little different than toads. Where's a frog's habitat? Frogs live all over the world, but frogs tend to stay near water. Okay, most of these pictures, the frog is in or near the water or close to a watery place. The difference between frogs and toads is that toads tend to live more on dry land. So frogs live near the water, that's their habitat. Ponds have lots of frogs. Some lakes have frogs, rivers have frogs. Any place where there's water, you're liable to find a frog. Why do some frogs have poison in their skin? Why do some have poison? Okay, we learned about poison, and it's something they have in their skin that can kill another living thing. We learned that frogs that are bright colored are usually poisonous. Their bright skin helps keep away the enemies, the predators. A predator will see a brightly colored frog and know that it's poisonous. So the poison helps keep away enemies and predators. Okay? Helps protect them. Do you think that frogs that have poison are bad frogs? Do they want to do mean things? Probably not. They're just made that way with poison because they need to be protected too. Okay. And remember this little guy, he has lots of poison. He's terribilis. Teeny tiny yellow frog. All right. Now, in your packet for Thursday, you have this page. It says labeling. We've done pages like this in class a lot. There's a cute frog in the middle. Down at the bottom, you have words. Use these words to label the matching parts. So we have eyes, legs, body, mouth, webbed feet. Eyes, legs, body, mouth, webbed feet. Okay, so this first box here, what is that pointing to? If you said eyes, you are right. So Miss Skinner will do the first one with you. Eyes. If you're not sure how to spell it, look down at the bottom. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. That is labeling the frog's eyes. Okay, so how about this one? It's going to the frog's mouth. Mouth. The first sound in mouth is M, so look for the word that starts with M. Okay. This one's pointing to which part? Legs. Legs. The first sound in legs is L, so look for the one that starts with L. Over here, it's pointing to webbed feet. Webbed feet. Okay, you should be able to fill that in on your own. Use your best writing to fill in the boxes. First and last name at the top. And then when you're done, you can color in your cute frog. Okay, boys and girls, that's your reading for today. See you later.